Want to learn how to make the most amazing Christmas chicken along with a twice-baked potato and yummy bourbon glazed carrots? Stay tuned! Welcome back, everybody, to another edition of the Captain Cooks. It's been a while. Been a while since we filmed our last video, and that reason is because we have redone this entire kitchen. We have a brand new stove, we have this beautiful island, we have all this new stuff. If you want to see what the kitchen looked like before, go back to one of the last videos and you can see how shitty it was back then. You clicked on the link, you know why you're here. We're going to make a really nice, quick, simple Christmas chicken that you can make Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, a couple days before, whatever, and we're gonna get started on that right now. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a slightly melted stick of butter, we're gonna put in some thyme, we're gonna put in some rosemary, and we're gonna put in the zest from an orange. The orange zest is gonna add a really nice flavor to the butter. And mix that up real nice. Add some pepper. We're gonna add some olive oil, just a little bit, to the butter, and that's gonna keep the butter from burning while it's in the chicken. So we have this amazing chicken here, and the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our hand and we're gonna separate all the skin out from underneath this guy here. Just don't be scared, get right in there. And then we're gonna take our butter mixture, and this is not a time to be queasy or weird about it. We're gonna just jam this butter right in there like that. Some on the other side. Like that. I'm gonna use all of it, all the butter here. And then what we're gonna do is we're just gonna massage this butter all the way down to the front of the burger. We're gonna stand this guy up and we're gonna salt the cavity, some salt and pepper. We're gonna take this orange, we're gonna just cut it in half, and we're gonna put in the juice. Guy here, and we're gonna shove that orange right in there. We have some nice carrots here from our garden, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut these big ones lengthwise. Having a really sharp knife really helps. I'm gonna preheat the pan here because I don't have to preheat the oven because the stove is actually gonna do it for me. So I'm gonna get that warm to get a little bit of color on these guys. Turn the gas down just a bit. I'm just gonna quickly chop up an onion, quarter it, and that's gonna go in here as well. And I'm gonna take one apple and quarter that as well because the apple will add a little bit of flavor. Give that a quick stir up there. I wish you guys could smell this. It already smells amazing. I'm going to move the stuff off to the side and get our chicken placed right down in there. Now, you normally want to cook this for about 20 minutes per pound. Start at 350, get a good sear on it, and drop it down to 325. That's what I would recommend you do. But again, I don't have to do that because my oven is going to do it for me. We're going to place the chicken inside, and I'm going to hook up this probe, close her up. Now we're going to make the most delicious sauce you're ever going to have. Now, Buffalo Trace is the preferred bourbon that I like to use. As you can see, I enjoy drinking it, so not much left here, so we're going to put in however much. A little bit more would be better, but that's all we have. We're going to put in just about 3/4 of a cup of apple cider. If you can get your hands on unpasteurized apple cider, that's really the best stuff to use. A good glob of brown sugar in, and then some honey, however much you like. If you don't want it super sweet, then don't put the honey in. A little tiny bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. A little bit of orange zest. Now, the key to this is not letting it boil. You do not want this to boil. You want it to get to the point where it's going to boil, but you do not want it to boil. If this were to boil, what you're going to do is you're going to start crystallizing all that sugar, and you're going to end up making a caramel sauce, and we do not want to do that. Well, it's been a few hours. My wife and I are starving, but we're going to pull out this. We got to get Ruby out of the way. Back up, honey. I'm going to pull this chicken out, see what she looks like. Oh my goodness gracious me. So let's take this guy out. Oh my God, amazing. What a beautiful looking chicken. And we're going to let that rest for about 20 minutes or so until our twice baked potatoes are done. Guys, I'm not going to show you how to cook the twice baked potatoes. You will have to subscribe to this channel to find out how to make them. They'll be coming up. So we're going to take out these beautifully cooked carrots right out of this pan here. Oh my God, they are amazing. So we've got our carrots in there ready to go, and we're going to take our sauce and we're just going to spoon or drizzle a little bit right over the top just to coat them evenly. You don't want to use all the sauce. And then that is going to go into a 400-degree oven. For how long, I don't know, but they'll be done, and we're going to put our beautiful twice baked potatoes in this oven. So, next time you guys see us, we will be hopefully eating. It is 8 o'clock at night. My wife and I normally eat at 5, so we're starving. So we'll see you guys in a minute. Ladies and gentlemen, the chicken is out. It is done. The skin is just, everything is just falling off this gorgeous, gorgeous bird. It's a little slippery, and so am I, because we look at that, folks. My God. Ladies and gentlemen, we are starving. We're going to eat. I cannot thank you enough for watching this video. I hope you learned something. The recipe will be down in the description below. Make sure you follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all that stuff. From my wife and I and our lovely dogs to you, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. More videos coming. We'll see you next time. One more thing. Drink a lot of water. Drink water, folks. You gotta drink water. If you don't drink water, you're gonna die. That's all I got for you.